Everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to handle multiple tabs and multiple windows. Okay, to show you this, I've selected Demo QA website, and here we have option to select new tab and new window. Okay, so if I click on new tab, it opens new browser tab within the same window. Okay, so new window means it opens completely separate window. See, this is a separate window, separate browser window. Okay, so this is the difference between new tab and new window. Okay, so handling this multiple tabs and multiple windows is very easy. Okay, so just follow the syntax and you will be able to do it. Okay, so I will give you the syntax to handle multiple tabs and multiple windows. Okay, syntax is, first we need to create an object to store the new tab. Okay, so the object I will say new tab. Okay, is equal to await promise.all. Promise.all, you just follow the same thing, bracket open and square bracket. Okay, so inside this, for a tab you have to say page.waitForEvent. You have to say wait for event if for tab, and within this you have to say popup. Okay, so pop-up means in Playwright separate tab. Okay, so for separate tab, Playwright considers pop-up. Okay, page dot wait for pop-up, and here what you have to do is you have to say page dot click the locator. Okay, so locator means on which locator, if you click on that, it opens new tab. That locator you have to give here. Okay, okay, so this is the syntax to open new tab, to handle new tab. Okay, in the same way to handle multiple window, same way. So you have to create a variable to store the window, new window. So we have to say new window and same thing, await promise.all. Promise.all, bracket open and square bracket. Inside that, here instead of page we have to say context. Okay, so I will tell you why we are saying context, and this is a variable. Page and context is a variables here. Okay, dot wait for event. So here also you have to say wait for event, but here you have to pass page. Okay, you have to pass page here. This is a new window and new page. Here pop-up is a new tab. Okay, and here page dot click the locator is, if you click on which locator, it opens another window, that locator. Okay, so in this case, for tab the locator will be new tab locator, and for window the locator will be new tab window, sorry, new window. Okay, okay, now I've already created a spec file and we will import things. Okay, so how to do? Import curly braces test expect and chromium object, because I want to execute in chromium, and page object from playwright. Okay, and I will import all these things from playwright slash test library or module. Okay, okay, this is test. Okay, so now I'll create a test block. So for first one I'll create multiple tabs, comma, async, square bracket, page, colon, page. Okay, so this is, I'll tell you. Okay, so this page is an object from this class. This page is a class from playwright, and I'm creating an object and I'll use this page. Okay, okay, so here I'll create a browser object, const browser variable, sorry, this is variable, is equal to await. So first I need to launch Chromium browser, correct? So how to launch Chromium browser? Chromium dot, there is a method that is launch. Chromium dot launch, it will launch the Chromium browser, and I want to see the execution. So I will say headless is equal to false. So it will open the browser for me. Okay, so here I'm launching the browser, so I'm keeping this, the launched browser, inside this browser variable. Okay, so now I've launched the browser. So now what I will do is I will create a another what is that, browser session, like a incognito window. For that I'll create another window, sorry, variable, const context. So I'll create another variable called context. So here what I'm doing with this browser, await browser dot new context, browser dot new context. Okay, so it is like I've launched window, browser I've launched, and here I'm opening incognito window. Okay, so that it will be free from cookies and all. Okay, so this is for automation, or we can say that fresh window. For that I'm saying create new context. So here I have to open the page, so I'll create another variable called page is equal to await how to open context. In this context I'll open a new page. For that the method is new page. Okay, so here I've launched the browser, I open new context, I mean new incognito mode window, and in that I opened new page. Okay, so these things are done. Okay, so now I will launch the URL. So how to do, await page dot go to. So I'll copy the URL from here. Okay, okay, so now I want to click on this alert frames and windows. Okay, let us inspect this. So I will directly say click on this text. Okay, frame. So there is only one match here, as you can see. So I will write the locator to click on this text. Okay, I'll copy this text. So await page dot locator. So locator is text is equal to, okay, I will say click on this text. So text is equal to, paste the text and say click dot click. Okay, so now from here I want to click on this browser windows. Okay, so for this also I will say click on this browser window text. Before that I will inspect, copy, control F. There are two matching elements. Okay, so by default it takes the first one. Okay, I will give this await page dot locator. I want to click on the text, so text is equal to the text dot click. Okay, and whenever you use this one text method to click on the text, you don't have to put this text inside any single quote. Okay, so this is enough. So now we need to inspect this element, and before that we know that if we click on that it will open in new tab, correct? So we have to put that inside the object or variable. Okay, so now let us follow this syntax. So const variable is new tab is equal to await promise dot promise.all promise.all bracket open square bracket. Okay, so here okay, so page dot wait for event. So what is that event here? The event is pop-up. Okay, so as I said, the playwright consider tab as pop-up. Okay, and here await page dot locator. Let us inspect new tab locator. So it has id tab button. Okay, and here you have to put comma. Okay, so this is the syntax. You have to put comma, not the single quote. Okay, so here we have to click. Okay, so next we have to say wait for load state. Await, before performing any action on that, we just need to say wait for some time, or wait for it to load until we can perform any action on it. Okay, or we can say that wait for elements to load on the page. Okay, for that the method is this variable name, this new tab dot wait for load state. Wait for load state, and we'll print the new URL. So console.log new tab URL is colon, so new tab dot URL. The method is URL to fetch the URL. Okay, so here I will give some hard wait. So await page dot wait for timeout. I will give some 5 seconds wait so that we can see that new tab. Okay, so then I will say close that child tab. Okay, so how to say that? Await new tab dot close. Okay, okay, so this is to handle the multiple tabs. Okay, let us execute this. Spec file name is multiple windows tabs. Launch the browser and URL. Okay, so it clicked on new tab. So as I gave wait, we can see that execution, and close the child tab. Okay, and here this is the new URL, new tab URL. It printed. Okay, okay, so now we'll see for the next one. I'll copy the same thing and I'll just rename it. Multiple windows. and I will execute only this. So I will say dot only. This is all same. Text is also same. Here instead of new tab we have to say new window, because this is a new window, correct? New window is equal to await promise all. Here instead of page we have to use context dot page wait for event, and here this is not tab, this is window, and we are opening the page, so page here, pass the page and put comma. Okay, so here the locator of the new window is window button. Okay, so here we have to wait for new window, so new window dot wait for load state, and we'll take new window URL and we will close the new window. Okay, the syntax is almost same. So here instead of page for new window we have to use context. This context is this one. Okay, to open the new browser session, this is context, and instead of pop-up we have to use page. Okay, now let us execute this. As you can see, it opened new window. Okay, one test is passed. Okay, so this is how we handle multiple windows and multiple tabs. Okay, just remember the syntax, and if you want to perform any assertion you can do after this statement await dot wait for load state. After this you can perform any assertion on the new tab or new window. Okay. Okay. So please do practice, and if you stuck anywhere or if you're not understanding something, please do comment below. I'll try to address it. Okay. And if you think you learned something from this video, please help me by clicking on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.